Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can convert your PayPal business account back to a personal account. This is useful if you're no longer running a business and just want a regular PayPal account back again. So, yeah, the first thing that you will have to do is log into your um, PayPal account, and once you've logged in, you will see this feature right here which says help. So just go ahead and click that. And once you're here, what you will have to do is you will just have to search for downgrade account. So just go ahead and click and search for that. And now that you're here, what you will have to do is you will just have to uh, contact PayPal support since PayPal does not allow manual switching from business to personal. So you must request support to downgrade it. So just go ahead and look for message center. So what you will have to do is just click this, and then you will choose account type and then downgrade business account. And then you will just have to provide the required details. So they may ask for your full name, your email address, your confirmation that you want to downgrade, and of course a verification ID. But it really depends. So sometimes they require it. So yeah, and after that, you will just have to wait for the approval, and it may take about 24 to 48 hours, and then you will receive an email when the account becomes personal. And yeah, that's how you can convert your PayPal business account back to a personal one. If this helped, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.